Today I'm making flour. And guess what bowl I'm using? Joy Jolt. It is a 4-quart bowl. Okay, I'm making, did I say flour? No, I'm making crust. Homemade crust. It requires 2½ cup of flour. That's 1 cup. There's 2 cups. I said half, but I mean 1/4. 2 1/4 cups of flour. It requires 1 tablespoon of sugar. It requires 1 teaspoon of salt. Let me get this twisting. That's 1/4. I need, that's a ½ teaspoon. I need 1 teaspoon. And if you're not a salt lover, you don't have to add it in there. It's just optional. And then I have my cold ice water. I have my 2 sticks of butters. And what this requires is that you have to cut these pieces. So I'm going to cut them in pieces. Cut them down. Right now it's down to tablespoons. If you notice, the package has, usually I always tell you the measurements to tablespoons, 1 tablespoon. So what I'm doing is cut them in tablespoons right now. Then I remove the paper at the end. So I'm going to remove the paper. And what you're going to do is cut them in 4s. Each stick. Remember, I have 2 sticks, so I'm cutting these in little 4 bites. I'm just going to set them to the side and put them in a container for right now. Go on and cut the other. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons, 6 tablespoons, 7 and 8 tablespoons equals to 1 cup. Believe it or not, 1 cup. That's what a whole tube is, 1 cup.
In my favorite Georgia bowl, I'm going to whisk away. Whisk the dry ingredients very thoroughly. The bowl is lightweight, I'm telling you. It's not heavy like most. Okay. It requires, it requires 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your little bits and pieces. You can put it in a blender to make it faster. This is how my mother taught me how to do homemade crust for your pies or pot pies or regular pies by hand. It's called knitting. And you can use your knuckles. So this size bowl is great for dough. For a 1 pie dough. A 9.15 pie shell. So I'm going to lay it in here. Removing the excess. Now I'm filling it with cherries. Just make a cherry pie. Just a little small cherry pie.